Have you ever been locked in the bathroom or caught in a place that you couldn't get out of? It's really scary, right? Well, this happens all the time to cats. Cats get caught on that balcony over there. They go up and then they jump down and they can't get back up again. So this has happened to several cats and I keep rescuing them and I'm sick of rescuing them, so I'm just going to do this ultimate rescue. I'm going to build an apparatus. It's a staircase. I'm going to build a little staircase for cats so that they can save themselves. We're going to cut in a zigzag formation to form the staircase, and we're going to join them together. It's going to make this perfect cat staircase that's going to rescue all the cats in the neighborhood, and they're all going to love me. Now the cat test. Come here, Bamboo. Hello, Bamboo. Come on. Let's see. There's Bamboo. Okay, at least Bamboo knows how to get down. You can get back up again. Now, Bamboo, climb. Climb, Bamboo, climb. Go on. Go on, Bamboo. I'm gonna let it down so the cats can save themselves. Right here. So there's our stairwell. We're hoping that the cat can use that. So that up there is our handiwork. It's better than nothing, and it might hold up for maybe a few weeks, maybe even months. Now we just gotta wait for our friend to appear. And I'm Cipta, Cat Hero.